Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, have you ever wondered what are the share prices of the top Indian IT companies where you are either currently working or it's your dream company to work with? So I will take you through the stock prices of those companies currently, and yes, it would be interesting to know that if we would have invested in those companies in last 5 years, what would have been the return so far and we would have earned so far. So let's get started. First, TCS Tata Consultancy. In 2017, the share price was near about 1350 rupees approximately, and they have given a huge return of 145% over these 5 years. Moving on to Infosys, they have given 223% 0.45% returns in these 5 years, and the rate, the price in near 2017 was approximately 500, which has now moved to 1570 approximately in this particular date. But yes, the returns would be up above 200%. Moving to HCL Technologies, in 2017, the share price was approximately, 300, 400 now, which has moved to 1089.90 rupees in this date, and they had given near about 160% of return so far in these 5 years. And Wipro Limited, which has given 80.75% of returns in these 5 years, and the share price in 2017 was approximately between near about 200. And yes, now moving to Mindtree, this is something mind-blowing. They have given 609% of return so far, and yes, they started approximately about 500 rupees of share price in 2017, which has moved up to 3600 or more, I think 5000 near about in this duration, which is 2021 year end, so which would have gone up to more than 600 10% of return, which means ideally if we would have invested 1 lakh rupees, which would have become 6 times, which means around 6 lakh would be the 6%, 600% of the returns. So I hope this was quite interesting information for you guys. So finally guys, I'm sure that this video was informative and interesting too. So do share with your friends and let them also know about the same. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for the latest updates and job news. So have a great day, be safe, take care, bye.